Svadhisthana Chakra is the second of the energy centers in our body. So we start by preparing the background with a dark blue shade. This is acrylic paint and I've taken a 4-inch diameter MDF board. Once it's dried, now I'm going to divide this particular circle. The central portion I will be keeping for the purpose of writing the letter of the sacral chakra. And the half moon, which is of very much significance to this particular chakra. The half moon signifies the phases of life, ups and downs, and that we go through them with complete understanding and we don't get involved in and anxiety. This particular chakra has symbolically 6 petals, and this chakra has the letter VAM in between. And orange is the color of the sacral chakra. Orange is a white color shade and it's basically symbolic of relieving us of depression, anxiety, us feel more joyful, more creative, and this particular chakra helps us to basically balance our problems, our stress, and it's basically making us more creative. So while you draw this particular chakras, the petals with orange and shades of orange, yellow, you will find that the vibrance, or you can say the color, the warmth of this particular color also impacts you in a positive manner. When the sacral chakra is imbalanced, it directly impacts our vital energy force, our desires in a negative manner. We may feel overly desirable about physical needs, or we may feel under desire for this need. We may also find that our creative abilities are imbalanced if at all this chakra is not well balanced. So it's important that you practice the rituals which are associated with the balancing of this particular sacral chakra or the Svadhisthana Chakra. And especially orange will be the color which enhances the energy of this chakra. So we're using the shades of white, yellow, orange, and putting dots using the Mandala dot tools. And what I've used is acrylic paints for this entire creation. So hope you're enjoying this experience. Now we will be proceeding to type 2, that is how to create this particular sacral chakra in a second format using the same tool, same NDF, and we'll prepare the background also in a similar manner. Some people who practice meditation are also tell us that if you repeat this particular wording, if you repeat this particular letter "vam" in a specified manner, it will help balance your energy associated with creativity, creative abilities, joy and happiness of your life. And if your chakra is well balanced, you will find that stress, depression, and anxiety will not come your way. In this mandala drawing, I am putting in even golden color and yellow color, orange color with the dot mandala tools.